Hi everyone, my name is Harikrishna Reddy. In this slide, we are going to discuss about the concept called unit digit. So to find out unit digit, power cycle is mandatory for some types of questions. For example, question will be like this. For example, 2378. 2378 power 1279. So 2378 power 1279. 2378 power 1279. What is the unit digit? That is the question in the examination point of view. To find out this type of question, to find out unit digit of this expression, so then power cycle is mandatory, right? To find out unit digit of this expression, power cycle is mandatory. So then we will discuss about the power cycle in the next slide. All of you clear about it? Then so now we are talking about the power cycle. So first of all, first we will go with, here it is, look at number. Here we have unit digit. So number, unit, digit. Then for example, so some number ending with 0 power n is nothing but power value. Number ending with 0, for example 0 power 1 0, 0 square 0, 0 cube 0. Then 0 power anything, what is the unit digit you are getting? 0, right? Next one, 1. So 1 power, number ending with 1 power n, 1 power 1 1, 1 square 1, 1 cube 1, 1 power 4 1. So 1 power anything, unit digit 1. Then next one, number ending with 5. Then 5 power n, 5 power 1 5, 5 square 25, unit digit 5. 5 cube 125, unit digit 5. 5 power anything, unit digit 5 we are getting, right? So next one, 6. 6 power n. Now tell me, 6 power 1, unit digit 6. 6 square 36. 6 cube 216. Then 6 power anything, unit digit 6. For the numbers 0 1 5 6, power anything we are getting unit digit as 0 1 5 6. The next concept. So next one, here we completed 4 numbers, right? Next one, number unit digit. So number unit digit, right? Here it is. So n equals to, power value equals to odd number, then power value equals to n equals to, so even number. For example, look at three numbers here. Number ending with 4, 4 power n equals to 1, 4 power 1 equals to 4, 4 cube equals to 64, nothing but 4 power odd number, unit digit 4. 4 power even number, 4 square 16, right? So 4 power even number, unit digit 6. Then in the same way, next one, number ending with 9, 9 power n, 9 power 1 equals to 9, 9 cube equals to 729, 9 power odd number, unit digit 9, 9 square 81, 9 power even number, unit digit 1. Clear, right? So how many numbers are completed? 0 1 5 6 4 9, total 6 completed. So remaining 4 we will see in the next slide, right? Then now here we are looking at remaining 4 numbers. Look at, so number, here we have the number, so unit digit, so unit digit, number unit digit, right? So this here power value n power 1, n square, n cube, here it is n power 4 or 0th position, n power, so n power 4 or 0th position, right? For example, take number ending with what? 2, number ending with 2 power n. Now tell me, then 2 power 1 unit digit 2, 2 square unit digit 4, 2 cube 8, unit digit equals to what? 2 cube equals to 8, 2 power 4 equals to 16, 2 power 4 or 2 power 0th position, unit digit 6. Clear? So next one, 3, 3 power n equals to what? N equals to 1, 3 power 1 equals to unit digit 3, then 3 square equals to 9, so 3 cube equals to 27, 3 power 4 equals to what? So 3 power 1 3, unit digit 3 cube, unit digit 7, 3 sevens 21, then 3 power 4 81. Unit digit equals to 81, right? Sorry, unit digit equals to 1. Clear? Then next one is 7. 7 power n. Then 7 power 1 equals to what? 7. 7 square 49. 7 cube equals to 343, right? So unit digit equals to, how can we find out 7 cube if you don't know about it? Then 7 power 1 7. 7 square how much? Unit digit 9. Then multiply these two. 7 nines what? 63. Unit digit equals to 3. Nothing but 7 cube equals to unit digit 3. Now we need to find out 7 power 4. 7 power 1 equals to 7. 7 cube equals to unit digit 3. 7 power 1 into 7 cube. 7 power 4, right? 7 3s are 21. Unit digit equals to 1. Then next one is next number 8. 8 power n. 8 power 1 equals to 8. 8 square equals to 64. 4 is the unit digit. 8 cube equals to, so 8 4 is 32. 2 is the unit digit. 8 power 4 equals to 8 into 2 16. So 8 is 8 power 4 or 8 power 0th position, unit digit 6, right? So please recollect this information. In the next slide we will discuss about the questions. Now look at question number 1. So first model, simple thing. So find the last digit or unit digit of this expression. So find the last digit or unit digit of the expression. So 1676 into 2543 into 2119. Then simply, then so we need only last digit, right? Then take, so last two digits from all the numbers. Here we have the last digit 6. Here it is 3. Here it is 9. Multiply first to 6 into 3. 6 into 3 equals to how much it is? 18. So what is the last digit here? 8 is the last digit. Now 8 multiplied with 9. 8 multiplied with 9, how much we are getting? 8 multiplied with 9, how much we are getting? 8 9s are 72. What is the last digit? 2 is the last digit in this expression. Okay, all of you. So all of you now tell me what is the last digit in this expression. Anyone? Now what is the last digit in here? 7. So here is the, what is the last digit? 9. Here what is the last digit? 6. Now 7 into 9 into 6. 7 9s are 63. Last digit 3. 3 6 are 18. Last digit 8. Then what is the last digit of this entire expression? 8. Okay, then go to the next question now. Look at this question now. So now look at, so power cycle, importance of power cycle. So then applicable here. Then come to here, 2 power 37. What is the power cycle of 2? Then if this power's value is repeated for every 4 power values, right? So that's why we divide this power value. What is the power cycle of 2? It is repeated for every 4 power values, right? That's why we take the power value and divided with 4. Take the power value and divided with 4. Then take it like it is 37. So 37 divided with 4, how many times? 9 times. So here it is 36. What is the remainder? Then 1 is the remainder. What is the base value here? 2 is the base value. 2 taken here. So 2 is the base value. Then this 2 power, take the remainder value. So take the remainder value. What is the remainder value? 1 is the remainder value. Now, so what is finally here? 2 power 1. 2 power 1 equals to how much? 2. 2. Then enter the expression. 2 power 37. 2 power 37 unit digit equals to what now? 2. Unit digit equals to 2. So look at this question. So 3 power 8976. What is the power cycle of 3? It is repeated for again every 4 power values, right? So 3 power 1 3, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27, 7 is the unit digit, 3 power 4 81, 1 is the unit digit, then 3 power 5 again, 3 power 5 is what? 243. Again unit digit equals to 3. Then power cycle is repeated for every 4 power values. Now again take the power value and divide it by 4. Now here more than 2 digits, right? In power, look at, so in power value we have more than 2 digits. Whenever we have more than 2 digit, apply the divisibility rule of 4. What is the divisibility rule of 4? last two digits, last two digits divisible by 4, last two digits divisible by 4, entire number also divisible by 4. So now apply the divisibility rule of 4. Now take last two digits from this power value, that's it, right? Take 76 and divided by with 4. Then 4 how many times here? Look at 4 how many times? 1 time. 4 36, 90 times, 9 times 36, 0, remainder equals to 0. Then take base value is what? 3. So remainder equals to what? 0. 3 power 0. 3 power 0 is nothing but 3 power 0th position. 3 power 0 is nothing but 3 power 0th position, or 3 power 4. What is 3 power 4? 3 power 4 equals to 81. Then unit digit equals to how much? 1. Unit digit equals to 1 for that entire expression. 3 power 8976, unit digit equals to 1, right? Then continue to the next slide. So now look at the question number 441. So all of you look at, now try to solve it here. What is the unit digit in the base? 2, right? 4782 power 8456, what is the unit digit? So for this type of questions, first of all, so you take the unit digit value in the base. What is the unit digit in the base? 2 is the unit digit in the base. So what is the power value? So then 8456. So 2 power 8456. So take the unit digit in the base and apply the power value right now. So 2 power 8456, what is the power cycle of 2? It's repeated for every 4 power values, right? Then so consider the last 2 digit and divisible with 4. 56 divisible with 4 how many times? 1 time. Here it is 16. So 4 times 16, remainder 0. It is nothing but 2 power. This remainder value placed at the power value of 2, then 0. 2 power 0th position or 2 power 4th position. 2 power 4 equals to how much? 16. What is the unit digit? 6 is the unit digit. Clear? Then try to solve the second question. What is the unit digit in the base? 7 is the unit digit in the base, right? Then 7 power, what is the power value? 2, 3, 4, 7. Then 47, so divisible with 4 how many times? 11 times. 44, remainder 3. Then take the remainder value as the power value of 7. Then 7 power 3. 7 cube equals to, so go to the power cycle. Then 7 cube equals to, what is the unit digit? So what is the total 7 cube value? 343. What is the unit digit? 3 is the unit digit for the entire expression. 8737 power 2347, right? Then all of you try to solve this one. 378 power 4728, what is the unit digit in the base? 8. Then 8 power 4724, 8 power 4724, apply 8th power cycle divided with 4, right? 4 with 24, 24 with 4, right? How many times? 6 times. 24, remainder 0. Then 8 power 0, 8 power 0 or 8 power 4. 8 power 4 equals to, what is the unit digit? 6. Unit digit equals to what? According to power cycle, unit digit equals to 6. All of you clear about it, right? Then go to the next slide. Now look at the question. So look at it, try to solve it, all of you. So try to solve it. 2 power 3 power 4, 3 power 4 power 5, then 4 power 5 power 6, 5 power 6 power 7, 6 power 7 power 8, 7 power 8 power 9. Now before that, what is the difference between, so 2 power 3 power square or 2 cube whole power square? Now tell me, what is the difference? So whenever we have the question like this, 2 power 3 power square, so for this question we are come from top to down. So what is the value here? 2 power, first of all you calculate this value. 3 square how much? 9. 2 power 9, over r. This value is 2 power 9. Here it is, look at. So then whenever we have the brackets, just take multiplication here. 2 power 3 into 2. 2 power 3 into 2 equals to 2 power 6. This is the difference between this one without brackets and with brackets. Right, now here look at 2 power 3 power 4 into 3 power 4 power 5 into 4 power 5 power 6 into 5 power 6 power 7 into 6 power 7 power 8 and into 7 power 8 power 9. So what is the unit digit of this expression? Anybody? What is the unit digit of this expression? Then simple thing, look at here. Now apply the power cycle rule. 5 power anything what? So 5 power 6 power 7 into 6 power 7 power 8. 5 power anything what? 5. Then into 6 power anything 6. 5 into 6 how much? 0. Here we are getting unit digit 0. Now 0 into. So something 0 into something, what we are getting unit digit what? 0 into anything, unit digit equals to 0 into anything. So 0 into anything, unit digit equals to what? 0. Then unit digit here it's equals to 0. Clear? Then next one. Right, I'll have you look at next one. So find the last digit of 4375 power 2374 into 8973 power 4789 into 3497 power 2371. So look at the base values, unit digit 5, 3, here it is 7. Look at 5 power anything 5 into, here it is 3 power 89 divided with 4, how many times? 22 times 88, remainder equals to 1. It is nothing but 3 power 1 into, here 7 power 71 divided with by 4. Power cycle of 7 is what? 4, right? Then divided with 4, how many times? 1 times. So 4 here 31, 7 times 28, remainder equals to what? 3. 7 cube. So here it is 7 cube. Finally it's equals to what? 5 into 3 into 7 cube, 343, unit digit 3. Then 1545. Finally it is unit digit is equals to what? 5. Finally unit digit equals to 5. Clear? Then next one. I hope all of you clear about it. Solve this question. All of you solve this question. So 2 power, so it is 2 power 8 power 3 power 5 power. Here we have the plus, right? So 2 power, apply the concept, 84. So 84 divided by 4, sorry, not 84, 88 divided with 4, 22 times 88, remainder 0. This is nothing but what? 2 power 0th position, right? Plus next one is what? 8 power 22 divided with 4. So 22 divided with 4, power cycle 4, right? 5 times 20, the remainder what? 2. 8 square, right? It is 8 square. Plus next one, 3 power here it is 55 divided with 4, 1 time 4, 15, 3 times 12, remainder equals to 3. It is nothing but 3 power 3 plus 5 for anything, unit digit 5. So 2 power 0th position are 2 power 4, unit digit 6, plus 8 square 64, 4 plus 3 cube 27, 7 plus finally it is 5. Now 10 17 22, unit digit finally what? 2. Unit digit equals to 2. Clear all of you? Right. Now all of you look at then some more important. So then 1 factorial power 1, 2 factorial power 2, 3 factorial power 3 plus 4 factorial power 4 and so on, 10 factorial power 10. What is the unit digit of this entire expression? What is the unit digit of this entire expression? Now tell me, 1 factorial value how much? 1, right? 1 power 1 plus 2 factorial 2 square plus 3 factorial 6, 3 into 2 into 1, right? 6 power 3 plus 4 factorial 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, it's 24 power 4 plus 5 factorial 120 power 5 plus 6 factorial 720 power 6 plus and so on. So look at here, So plus 120 power 5 plus 720 power 5. From this onwards we are getting 0, right? So from this onwards we are getting 0 plus before that. So 1 power 1 equals to how much? 1 power 1 equals to 1 plus 2 square 4, 6 cube, 6 power anything 6. Then now look at 4 power 4. 4 power 4 means what? 4 power 4. 4 power even number, what is the unit digit? 6. 4 power odd number, unit digit 4. Here 4 power. Look at in 24 unit digit 4, right? In 24 unit digit 4. 4 power 4, then unit digit is what? 6, right? Now 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 0. Finally it is, so 5, 16, 17. 17 unit digit equals to 7. Unit digit equals to 7. Now try to solve it, all of you. Try to solve this one. 1 square, find the last digit of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus 100 square. Anybody? So you know about the right formulas. Sum of the natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of the squares of the natural numbers. Sum of the squares of the natural numbers, what is the rule? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. What is n value? Plus 1, 2, 3 and so on. N value equals to 100. N value equals to 100. It is 101. Here it is 201 by 6. 201 by 6. Look at here, 2 3 times, 2 here 50 times. 3 in 201. 3 here 6 times, 7 times. Finally it's equals to what? 50 into 101 into 67. Observe the unit digit 0, 1, 7. 0 into 1 into 7. Finally unit digit equals to 0. All of you clear about? So this is the concept of finding the unit digit. All of you clear? Thank you, sir. Thank you, all of you. Thank you so much.